Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Open Task View with Win plus tab or click the Task View icon. This is the first action. Once the view appears, click New Desktop to create a clean workspace. Make at least 2 desktops now so you can move work between them. Then open or leave apps on the first desktop. You'll duplicate workflow across desktops as needed. This immediate step prevents distraction and sets up isolated environments for different tasks without changing any system settings. Once you have multiple desktops, navigate quickly. Use Ctrl+Win plus left or right to hop between workspaces, or open Task View and click thumbnails. To relocate an app, open Task View, drag its window to another desktop thumbnail, or right-click a window and choose Move to then pick the desktop. Use snap layouts inside each desktop to tile windows neatly. That keeps context clear. Make sure to keep only related apps on each desktop, so switching preserves mental flow and reduces. Finish by naming or reordering desktops in Task View to keep them meaningful. Right-click and rename. When a desktop is no longer needed, click the X to close it. Its open apps move to the previous desktop so nothing is lost. If you prefer keyboard control, press Ctrl+Win plus F4 to close the current desktop. If Task View is missing or behaving oddly, restart Explorer or toggle the Task View icon in Settings Personalization taskbar. That single restart usually fixes visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.